Here it is a little chilly in spots. Our feels like temperature still coming in at 12. That's where we've been for a little while. And you look across the state westward, it's a little bit colder. 7 for Carroll, Mason City coming in at 5, Council Bluffs the same, Ottumwa at 8 degrees. So bundle up as you head on out, and well, some of us plan for a little bit of snow to start the day. You can see that working its way into that southern and southeastern edge of the state. And they've got warmer air down there too that's bringing in a mixed bag of precipitation, so that working its way up to that southeastern portion of the state. Quincy in the middle of that right now. Kirksville in a snow band of moderate snow at this point, so still looking at winter storm warnings for the southeastern portion of the state through northeastern portions of Missouri. Winter weather advisories in effect from 6 a.m. till 9 p.m. for southeastern Iowa as well. That includes Ottumwa, and that expands all the way to the southwest into Kansas and down into Texas as well. So a pretty expansive system, and you can see the eventual track of this takes it over the Great Lakes even, so a lot of people being impacted. Central portions of Illinois, though, how about that? An ice storm warning as this makes its way on in. So we'll continue to see this inch its way up into the remainder of the morning here for us, and again bringing accumulating snow to some. 27 for the metro today, 24 for Minneapolis. If you are traveling south, plan on encountering snow and just generally wintry conditions with slick roadways. So behind this system, though, we do start to work in high pressure. We do have another weak area of low pressure just riding the coattails of this first one. That's going to bring some increased cloud cover across portions of the state, perhaps an isolated snow shower to the southeastern edge of the state. Plan on clouds all day long today. Again, could see some snow showers as we head in towards late morning, early afternoon through central Iowa. Let's track those out. Early in the morning here, again, a bit of a mix, and that's accompanied by some snow to the north there. And that's going to stick with us into the evening hours. Again, that advisory goes all the way till 9 p.m. tonight because of that. So we head into Saturday, though, a much quieter look. You can see some of those increased cloud cover from that weaker area of low pressure that'll be passing southeast of the state. But as far as ice goes, really going to be relegated to that southeastern edge of the state. And as far as how much snow you can expect to see, some portions of southeastern Iowa will have a chance at 2 to 5 inches. Otherwise, areas like Lamoni 1 to 3, and metro should see fractions of an inch, definitely less than an inch though. So forecast again for today, snow showers mainly to the south and accumulating snow to the southeast. And we head into the evening, we are talking 13 degrees, so cold conditions yet again, but we are warming up. 33 by Sunday. We're in the upper 30s Tuesday and Wednesday with more chances for snow by the middle of the week.